Hi, welcome to Part I'm Raul, and today I want to share a very straightforward thought process that I found to work very well when making decisions. After watching this video, you should be able to make any decision in less than 2 minutes, so let's get into it. The only thing that I want to point here is that I'm talking about day-to-day decisions rather than the ones that will affect the rest of your life. You should probably think about that for more than 2 minutes. With that being said, let's get started. Making a decision usually implies choosing between 2 or more options. Still, to make this process as appealing as possible, I'll take the basic case scenario of choosing between 2 products to buy, okay? This happens to be the case where I use this method most frequently and it saves me a lot of time. Say I'm being put to choose between 2 products that are both a reliable option. They both present advantages and their price is quite similar. I'll pull out my phone and head to the stopwatch app. Once I get to the point where I'm aware of the features of both products and I only have to make the decision, I'll start a 2-minute stopwatch, the time when I have to come up with pros and cons for both products. By using that method, I found out that it really helps with the decision-making process. Still, most importantly, it made me realize that if I already got to the point where I have to decide between 2 options, chances are whatever I choose, it'll be a good fit and it's just a thing of personal preference. There you have it. That's it. You can extend this to whatever you want. If you have more than 2 options, obviously you can repeat the process as many times as needed. If this video helped you, I regularly post videos sharing what I learned through my experiences, thoughts and readings. Besides that, I will include videos regarding the academic field, like how to take better notes, learn more efficiently and study with me type videos. If that sounds like you and you want more of that, please consider subscribing. Until next time, you left Part